Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil. I represented the team delivering research material. In these opportunities, allow me to present the result of research and title budget planning information system using the rapid application development methods. Case study SMKN1 Magelang. We conducted this research to help SMKN1 Magelang, Indonesia overcome problem in budget design. The research began of the basis of several problems faced by SMKN1 Magelang, Indonesia. The research focused on the problem faced when designing a budget. Some of the problems faced include: number 1, the draft budget is submitted manually using paper. Number 2, screening of the budget is done manually one by one. Number 3, difficulty combining budget submission report. Based on our observation, the problem faced can be solved using an information system. However, to create a system requires a design method based on the list of reference that we use. System design can be carried out using the rapid application development (RID) method. The RID method is based on the concept of multiple interaction, allowing development team to design and develop software in a short period of time. The development method using RID is divided into three stages. Number 1, planning. The design stage is the stage where system user and developer hold discussion to identify the system requirement. The system requirement in question or in the form of analysis of ongoing business process to be implemented into the system to be created. The purpose of the stage is to determine the problem, boundaries, and the output the user want to achieve. Number 2, design process. The design process is a follow design and optimization process that is already underway. At this stage, user activity play a very important role in achieving goals. User can provide direct input into the design process if there are discrepancy in the design flow. Number 3, implementation. The implementation stage is the stage where the system design is approved by user and developer. At this stage, the developer will develop the system design into an information system that is ready to run. In addition, testing of implementation result is carried out to find for discrepancy so that they can be corrected and tested again. This information system involves for 5 components, namely admin, unit, system, principal, and budget team. Admin activities are managing all process in the system and managing the running of the system, starting from managing user data request period activities, activity request, filtering, approval, and report. The purpose of providing all access is to ensure the system can run normally. The unit only has the activity of managing its activities and activities. Activities can be referred according to needs, but to of activity and budget. The school principal and budget team have the role of screening process activities. The difference between the principal and the budget team is the approve of activities activities that contain a list of filtered activities can only be approved by the school principal. The last activity in this diagram is the system component. The system functions as an input processor so as to produce output in the form of a systematic report. The authentication page consists of a login and forgotten password page or user, including admin, unit principal, and budget team, must log in using the registered email and password as an authentication step and determine the type of user used. Apart from that, to make it easier if you forget your password, the system has a forgot password feature where the user only need to reset it via this menu, and a password reset link will be sent to the registered email. Result: the program page contains a list of activity program registered at SMKN1 Magelang. The program list is master data that function as a limitation on the type of activities when submitting a budget. The program page can only be accessed by admin. Admin can carry out CRUD, process, create, read, update, delete. The period and program setting page contain a list of program period and setting in the form of program type, program weight, and maximum application value for each program in that year. Each period contains a list of activity program which can be accessed via the period detail. The admin is tasked with managing program setting based on the regulation that apply each period. The activities and event page is a page listing the activities for each unit. On this page, the work unit is as data input. Each work unit has the right to propose an activity in one period. Each activity has several activities that can be selected by the work unit. Work unit can cause the type of activity according to their need. Apart from that, this page can also be accessed by school principal and the budget team. The school principal and the budget team have different access, namely as collector of filter of data submitted by the unit. The report page contains a summary of work unit submission data that has been approved. The report menu display report for each period. The report menu can be accessed by all users with different access rights. Unit can only view and download their respective unit report. Meanwhile, other users can view and download an available report. Conclusion: the implementation of the report application development or ID method in the design and construction of the budget planning system at SMKN1 Magelang is considered very effective and efficient. Based on the three stages of the RID method, including planning, design, and implementation, it can be done in a short time. With the implementation of this information system, SMKN1 Magelang can easily manage activities, both plan and report for each period, so that data for each year can be viewed easily and in an organization manner. That's all I want to say about today's presentation, and thank you.